New charges are expected to be filed against former PETROJAM chairman Dr. Percival Badahu Singh and his co-accused former general manager Floyd Grindley. The duo appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court Wednesday morning for what should have been the start of their three-day trial. The matter was, however, adjourned while the men had their bail extended. Jamaica Maitland was in court earlier today and filed this report.
The trial for the two former PETROJAM executives charged with financial crimes has been pushed back until May 2022, and with a development, new charges. Former chairman Dr. Percival Badahu Singh was initially charged with obtaining money by means of false pretense, and former general manager Floyd Grindley for aiding and abetting the process. But now the prosecution revealed that they will no longer proceed with those charges on what should have been day one of the trial. Instead, the men will be charged with fraudulent conversion, aiding and abetting fraudulent conversion, conspiracy to defraud, and one count each of obtaining money by means of false pretense.
Now, according to the prosecution, an application was filed on October 4 for live links in at least 3 different jurisdictions, that is the UK, Canada, and Barbados. But the defense attorney argues that the prosecution's case is in disarray, citing that the trial, which was expected to start today, has not only been pushed back, but has new charges.
We have been subjected to new charges, new draft indictments, and that means that they have an unsettled position, and up to yesterday did not know what charges really ought to have been preferred against the accused man.
KD Knight is the attorney representing Floyd Grindley, while Bert and Bianca Samuels have been retained by Dr. Percival Badahu Singh. Members of the defense team say they're not fazed by the new charges and are certain of their client's innocence.
We were very confident from the beginning. And now what has happened is that the prosecution have realized that there were grounds for our confidence, hence the changes.
The charges stem from business trips that Dr. Badahu Singh was reimbursed for in his capacity as head of the oversight body of PETROJAM, but the records reveal he never took those trips. The trips were allegedly between December 2016 and May 2018. The total, $73,620 or approximately 10 million Jamaican dollars at the time. The new trial is scheduled for 3 weeks beginning May 9, and until then, the former PETROJAM executives can return to the United States, where they both reportedly live. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.